A rotten apple spoils the whole barrel. This proverb you heard very well. It means one person, thing, element ruins the entire group, ruins the entire community. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine. Once again, I'm here with my new topic, and today's topic is be aware of your surrounding. What is this surrounding means? Surrounding is not only about weather, atmosphere, it also about a person, community, element, situation, any incident happen around you, the aura around you. That's what this surrounding is all about. When you well aware about the surrounding around you, then you are well planned your action. You can avoid the difficulties in your life. You can avoid the situation which you will not able to face. You can also avoid most of the hard work things that you are not able to do or you don't want to do. This is also helpful when you are driving. Let's suppose you are driving a car and you are not aware of your neighboring cars by using the view mirrors. Then what will happen? Then there are 100% chances that you will accident yourself and your family. So always aware of your surrounding, no matter how bad it is or how good it is, but always aware of your surrounding. Always have a catchy eyes. Always catch the things in your surrounding. If something is bad and your gut of instinct says this is bad, that means it is bad. If you really want to achieve something in your life, then your surrounding is much more important, because they will lift you or they will down you. It's all up to them, no matter how focused you are. But once your peer group, your friends, your neighbor, even your parents start talking about you, then your self-confidence get down. This is the effect of surrounding. Always take action, but never hurt the surrounding. Never let your surrounding affects you, because if your surrounding is not good, no matter how talented you are, how good you are, how honest you are, your life will become a hell if your surrounding is not good. In cricket, when expert says that be aware of the atmosphere, weather, pitch report, surrounding, and your opponent team, does they mean, and why do they say this? Because they know if your team are well aware of the condition, pitch, weather, opponent team, then it is very easy to face the difficult situation which will come in their way while playing the match. It is very important to know what is going to be coming in our way and be ready for that. And why? Because after that, what is coming in our way, you can take action according to that. If a batsman knows that the pitch is a bouncy, then he is ready for playing those bouncy balls. If a bowler knows that this pitch is very green track, has a very green track and ball will swing, then the bowler will bowl according to that. He will try to swing the ball to put the batsman into difficulties. That's what surrounding means. At that time, surrounding comes into the play. So always aware of your surrounding. No matter how good is your surrounding or how bad is your surrounding, but always aware of your surrounding, because if your surrounding is not bad, then it will good for you, but if your surrounding is bad, then it will affect your focus, it will affect your thinking, even it will affect your family as well. So always well aware that what is going around yourself, around you, your family, your house, not just physically but mentally as well, because this will give you a broader aspect, a vision clarity while facing the difficult situation in your life. So at last, I just want to say, be aware of your surrounding. हमेशा ये देखते रहिए कि आपके सराउंडिंग में हो क्या रहा है, आपके आसपास क्या क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि अगर आपको ये नहीं पता होगा कि आपके आसपास क्या हो रहा है, तो ये आप इसकी वजह से बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत में पड़ सकते हो. सो ऑलवेज बी अवेयर ऑफ द सराउंडिंग. थैंक यू.